What's up guys? Most of us know this addressable LED. The most interesting thing about this LED is it is programmable. I just love listening songs on my home theater. So I stretched my mind a little bit and thought, how about syncing this LED with music and feel the vibe? Then I searched on the internet and I found this sound detector module. This sound detector is a small board that combines a microphone and some processing circuitry. Here is the graph which shows how this sound detector module works. The dark green wave is the audio voltage which directly comes from the microphone is received at the audio output pin. Then the light green wave is the envelope output. It is the average of the sound wave. And on gate pin we get high-low. That's it. In a quiet room, I am giving 5V to the VCC pin and connecting ground to ground and power the board. Then I am tapping on the table in front of the microphone. You should see the red LED on the board blink in response to sound. I have written a few lines of code to check the audio output from the sound detector module. And yes, it's working. So I have successfully made this circuit. Now I am opening the Arduino IDE and I have already written a code for this project. So I click on the upload button and yes, it's saying uploaded successfully. Don't worry, I have given the entire code and schematics in the description box. So you can also build it as it is. Okay, let's finish the project. Now let's check how it looks. Are you excited guys? Because I am gonna show you now the final version of this project. Oh wow! Isn't it cool? That's it guys. So if you want to see anything else, let me know in the comments below and I will read them as I go through it. Give a like, share with your friends and hit the subscribe button if you enjoy this video. As always, thanks for watching.